Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Just putting some new parts on the car, like a new hood. Bumper I went to go see was missing like this whole corner, so I didn't pick it up. Just gonna have to glue and screw this one down until I can get another one. Painting up the lip. I got it all sanded down. Let's go clean it and then throw a quick paint job on it. Got this guy all straightened up, ready to go back into the car. So at least the bumpers can be held on properly. Let's get her in there. Is it bent? Definitely turned. Hopefully we can straighten that out. There's always something. My poor baby. Had to run into the back of a ram. Still kicking myself in the ass for that. Idiots. Alright, so I got a new one of these from Buddy. Buddy mangled it pulling the car out of the snow. So I'm going to try to straighten this up. See how it goes. Advice didn't work, so now we're resorting to violence. You get the idea. There we go, boys. Little gentle persuasion with the hammer. Gotta grind that lip down a bit. We'll throw in the vise to just straighten it out a little better, but that'll do. And it was free, because dude is mint. Oh yeah, here's the hood. So it's, I think he said topaz blue. So, you know, there's little imperfections here and there, but there's no rod in there on the front like mine. So that's good. I end up getting the car touched up anyway, so no big deal. It just doesn't have the rust on the front corner like mine does. It's clean. Someone did a bad job painting it, but wish I never ran into the back of Buddy, but hey, that's my fault. Alright, got her bolted in. It's gonna be the last few videos on the e39 for now. We're gonna get on the Fargo here. Weather's starting to get nice. We gotta do the brake line on that. I have to do the brake line on this. And then adjust the valve lash on the Fargo. We're gonna do it cold. I saw a thread online. I wanna see if the guy's right or not. He adjusted them cold, and then when the engine turns hot, they're at the perfect hot lash. So we're gonna see if that works or not. Alright, new brackets on. Let's see if I can get this bumper on by myself. Oh wait, scratch that. First I'm gonna, since I don't have a bumper 8 yet, I'm gonna super glue all that stuff back together. Just to make it, I don't know, better. Alright, we're back. Just a dab will do. I guess. Oh, total miss. Got that on there. Hopefully it holds. Probably won't. Now I'm on to this piece. Probably won't hold either. And I have that side to do. So I'm gonna do it. Well, we're waiting this glue to set up. Looky here. They just cut the whole harness off the car. Hit a parts car, but now I have my pigtails. So we're gonna wire this in correctly. Looks like the halo wires already got taken. Pigtails, I think. I don't know, I can't find my pigtails. There's only 2 in that one. Is this it? Anyways, we're gonna get these in for sure. Alright, I got the headlight pulled out. There's my janky ass wiring. Halo. This is a new plug. Is this the right one? Blue and brown. Blue and brown. Blue and brown. Alright. Let's do this. There we go, guys. Wired in, halos, blinker. So, yeah. Wonder if I should wire, no, the blinker into the... Anyways. Put the headlight back in. Start getting the bumper on after I wire up that side. There. New pigtails wired in. Put new wire for the halos, looking nice. New pigtail for the light. Got the old setup out. This had a 3 wire, the other one only had 2 wire. That's cool. Okay, wiring's done. Let me get a key, see if it's working. Working. Halos. Nice. And I got all popped in, gluing it was a waste of time. The glue just broke both sides instantly, even that one. Oh well, let's get it on the car. Ta-da! And that's how you slide around by yourself. And you just gotta put both in the back. These long ones up front. You got a full splash out on the other side. You got 2 bolts. But yeah, back on. Not looking pretty. Those are gonna be fun to change. All glued in, great. Alright, let me get some bolts in this. Roll up our sleeves here. Alright, bumper's back on. Next I'm gonna paint the lip. God, I hate that. But, oh wait, I gotta put in the pieces. Here we go. This one goes on this side. This one goes on this side. And then you just put these up through the holes. Yeah, you get the idea. There. Put this little pop Rivix back in. Pop clips, whatever. On to paint. Here we go, just painting in the wind. That way I get overspray all over myself. It's like the 5th coat I'm putting on. I think the wind's blowing most of the paint away anyways. There. Good enough for who it's for. Alright, got the lip on. I didn't make a video of putting it on, but it is all painted. Looks way better. I messed up here. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one.